everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had an amazing Christmas, a wonderful holiday. We had a great Christmas over here, me and my babies. I just wanted to come to you guys really quickly with a very quick, very small Dollar Tree haul. So let's get into it. First thing are these really cute socks that have little kisses on them. They had a lot of socks, actually, a lot of different Valentine socks. Once again, sorry for all the running and the squeaking that's about to go down. If you don't know, I have 2 dogs and I just kind of let them run free while I film, so they're just doing their thing. These are black socks and they have different hearts, and then some of the hearts are glittery, like the pink one there. So these are longer socks. Like I said, they had a lot of different socks. Also, they have this cute little box. Look how cute that is. And it comes in different sizes. It comes in different sizes. I think this was the smallest one. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. Okay. Then look how pretty these stickers are, these heart stickers. There was a whole section that was just dedicated to DIY crafters. So I think Dollar Tree is on to us. So they are giving us things to do DIYs with, like these really cute foam stickers, but they're like the candy heart stickers. And I got 2 of those. And I also got, you probably saw this all winter, burlap ribbon. And then I also picked up the burlap ribbon with the red dots for Valentine's DIYs. They also have these craft bottles, mason jars. And, sorry, my dogs are trying to take over. And look how cute these felt stickers are with the gems on them. Little heart-shaped gems on the felt stickers. They did a great job. Excuse me a moment. Okay. And then also these felt heart like cutouts. Pink, white, and red. I believe there's 2 red, 2 white, and 3 pink is what it looks like. Squeaking. And then they have these glitter foam shapes. They're not all red. There are also pink ones in there as well. So red and pink and 12 pieces for $1 is a pretty good deal. Also, they have these heart-shaped LED lights, and it's 10 lights. I only picked up 1 of those. I might go get some more. And this really nice, I think it's an MDF love sign. Comes with the 2 hangers in the back and the string. They also have pink rose petals. I have the white ones and the red ones. And now they have pink, which is great because I have DIYs planned. And roses. Guys, if you are going to use any florals in your DIYs, please make sure that you go and get them right now. I stopped by Dollar Tree on my way from work, and it was like they had just put things out that day, and people weren't really looking for them. I think people were kind of burned out over Christmas and they weren't even thinking about Valentine's Day. So everything was perfect, like they just put it out. So it made it easy to see what they had, and they had quite a few things. They had little Valentine's Day mailboxes, like the Santa mailboxes that they have for Christmas. They had different shaped boxes. They had quite a few things, but there were a lot of empty shelves, so that means they have a lot more. So I'm excited for these things. I'm gonna have less to do because for the Valentine's DIYs, I was actually going to have to cut out a bunch of heart shapes, but these cutouts and felt stickers and glitter stickers are gonna help me out so much. They're gonna help you out so much. And last but not least, okay, I don't know if you guys know, but the coffee from Puerto Rico is amazing. And I found this, the Cafe El Moro, which is Puerto Rican coffee. Guys, it's $1. If you see this and you are a coffee junkie, just pick one up. Just one. Just pick one up. Hey, yeah, can I help you? Okay. Keiko wants to say hi. Say hi to the people, Keiki. Okay. Do you see? Oh, there's the other troublemaker. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at both of them. Okay, guys. I'm going to go play with them. I've been gone at work all day and stopped by Dollar Tree. So, like I said, I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I look forward to seeing you guys on my future DIYs. Please like and subscribe. I would love to have you along with me as I grow my channel. Okay guys, one last thing that I forgot to show you was this super cute heart-shaped wreath. It comes on a hanger and it is felt hearts with glittered hearts either on them or next to glittered hearts. This is what the back looks like. So you could separate these if you wanted to do a DIY. That's it guys. Thank you so much. Have a good night.